Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix mysterious missing disk space in Windows 10 or 11. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your disk space is mysteriously missing, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can do, you just have to disable hibernation in your PC. Now to do that, you just have to go to search and here to search for CMD. You might see command prompt, just right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Now in this section, you have to enter a command which is power cfg space slash H then space off. Once you enter, press enter from your keyboard. So the command will be run, so it will completely disable hibernation from your PC. Now once you have done this, you have to go to the second step. So now to do the second step, you have to go to search again, search for CMD again, right click on it, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Now in this section, you have to enter this command which is dism.exe space slash online then space slash cleanup image then space slash start component cleanup space slash reset piece. Now once you have entered this command, press enter from your keyboard. So it will completely, when it's has been completed up to 100%, you have to go back, close this window and go to the third step. Now the third step is you have to go to search and here just search for this cleanup, open it. Now once I've opened, select your C drive from here, press OK. Now in this section, you have to select this cleanup system files and then select C from here again. So it will completely clean junk system files from your PC, and after that your issue might have been fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.